You call Gay Cruise right now. I named my brain Becky. This trick is lame. Not today, Becky. All right, guys, I'm out here in beautiful sunny California at Concord Skate Park, and I'm gonna learn a new trick on this bank. But before I even get started on that, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about, is it easier to learn tricks on a bank? Now I have this theory, hear me out, because when you learn to skate, you're kind of on flat ground, right? And you pop it and you roll it. By flat ground, I mean not moving. Some of you learned to move first, but like your first kickflip was probably stationary. You're probably standing on the ground and you did a kickflip. Hopefully it was better than that, because that was not a good one. Just kidding. But the funny thing about a bank, especially this is a very mellow bank, is you can roll up. It's kind of funny if you hit it right. You roll up, you essentially stop, do a kickflip, and then roll back. I'm gonna do a couple tricks to show you. I also love learning tricks on a bank because it allows you to pivot differently than on flat ground. For example, on flat ground, to pivot a 180 on a bank, I'll go off the tail. On flat ground, I'd have to go off the nose. So you can get different pivot options. And you know me, I love me a good pivot. Let's check it out. I think specifically for a trick like backside flip, you get your kickflip down, kind of stationary, you see? And then you can do it and pivot a turn. Off the tail. Tiniest little turn. And then a little more. That was a terrible one, but you guys get the idea of how it works, right? Wow, just rolling back and forth, my legs are already exhausted. Okay, so I wanna try some I don't wanna call them dork tricks, but they're kind of dork tricks. I wanna try like a little dork trick combination. We're gonna start it with a pressure flip, which hopefully I can do on a bank. I've never tried that. Pressure flip is all in the back foot, pop here, scoop it underneath like this, and make it spin. So we're gonna try that. Try that bad boy. Okay, pressure flip, let's go. Oh yeah, money. We got this. First try. I needed that. I needed that in my life. You get so confident, you feel like, oh yeah, we got this, no problem. And then boom, man down. All right, pressure flip, let's run it. Does that happen to you? You fall once, and then your brain is instantly like, don't fall again. I saw this TikTok the other day where this girl was like, name your brain, and you give your name a brain. I think she said, I named my brain Becky. So when she starts getting those negative thoughts, she's like, not today, Becky. Probably don't want to name my brain Becky, but for this video, not today, Becky. Oh, let's go, Becky! I want to do a combination with that. I want to do like pressure flip and then pivot 180. Sort of like pressure 360, kinda. Shout out Nate Sherwood, if you know, you know. Do you know who Nate Sherwood is, Derek?
No.
He's the pressure flip god, pressure flip king, pressure flip master.
Third time, bro.
Oh, let's go. I gotta get a better pressure flip. I'm never gonna be able to pivot that. I gotta be higher above it. Wow, way too much pop. It just about hit my left knee and exploded it into 1,000 millipieces. Okay, right here, first try. Okay, closer? That just gave me another idea though, which is what I love about skateboarding. What if I did pressure flip frontside pivot that way? Oh, sick. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna do one of those variations and I'm gonna like it. Woo! Man, I suck at pressure flips. I need to improve them. I need smaller wheels and bigger pants. 100% bigger pants. Okay. Okay, that's better, getting better. Oh, Derek, why am I so old? You ever ask yourself that question?
All the time.
You wake up in the morning, you're like, why is my body not 20 years younger? 41 years old, guys. And I'm gonna learn this trick today for y'all. Not for me, for you. If I was doing it for me, I wouldn't be learning pressure flip. I just know you guys love pressure flip. It's weird, I instantly start going into almost like big spin, which I'm kind of excited about. To be honest, I feel the motion, I feel it could come through here. Let's get it, Becky. Not today, Becky. Sheesh, close but no potatoes. All right, right here, I'm counting it first try. We're going to straight to mother Jamba Juice. Dang it. Aaron. Aaron of the Great. You must land the pressure flip. It's weird. Okay, in my mind, I'm like pop, where the kickflip is like pop, flick. Your back foot is free, it's just hanging. So then your back foot preps to land and pivot. But on this one, your back foot does all the motion, then lifts up, then lands a pivot. It's like back foot working double overtime. Okay, right here for the dream team. That would have been so sick. How am I so old I do 2 tries and my body's just like, give up, Aaron. I definitely need to work out. Yeah, that was close, I'm getting closer. I'm feeling it. Braille skateboarding, I'm feeling it. Okay, the sun's out. It's perfect timing. Get that vitamin D, sunshine. Let's go, right here, first try. Oh, I was feeling that. The hardest thing I'm having a hard time with is getting the scoop and turning my upper body, head and shoulders so I can do the pivot. It's throwing me through a loop, wang danga. I love a little bank like this to learn on though. It's so fun. Oh, was it? Now, Derek, I promise you I got this. Ouch, primo. Land it right here, Robin Hood. I'm getting there. I can start to feel like what it's gonna look and feel like with my weight on my back foot. It's closer. Oh! It's the BART train, bro. I can't do it. No BART train right here for all the people that said I couldn't. For all the people that said, give up. Why do you still skateboard? You're 41, you're old, you're too old. Oh, primo. Okay, for the haters in the house. Let's go, I love haters. It's such a weird feeling. It's like I need to be back on my heels, scoop it forward, remain back on my heels, land all weight, back foot, turn. Come on, I'm a manual skater. I can land in 2 wheels on a bank and turn. I'm a manual skater. Shoosh. That was just for this. Okay, ready? The reason I like wearing these long sleeve is for the sun, so I don't get sunburned. But then it's funny, I come out here and I just roll it up. Silly. Okay, right here for the long sleeves. Ah, dang it. Derek, that was it. That was literally it. I need you to tell me to stop being a beep. Frick. One of these days I'm just gonna start cussing. Leave it in the comments below if you want me to just start cussing in every video. Ah! It's right there. It feels so wrong, yet so right at the same time. All right, I need to harness my inner 1990s land and pivot like a boss, Aaron. Wow, that was like all in the air for some reason. Okay, we gotta land this. It's about to rain, Derek. You ready?
Yeah.
Right here?
Let's go.
Dang, I just realized I should do that to Casper. Stop overthinking it. Stop overthinking it. Get out of your head, land on the tail, pivot. Just a nice day for a picnic. Just relaxing, hang out. Why did I do that? Derek, what in the Wally world? How did I not? I'm not committing, full commitment. Closer and closer. Ah, I gotta land this. Literally what happened. I feel like it went like somehow back to primo that way. Okay, right here. Let's go. Okay, lean back this way while turning, pop, scoop, land, pivot. I know how it will feel. I got this right here. First try. Ah, I gotta turn my upper body earlier. Freaking A. That's it, Derek. Pulling out the big guns. Rolling the sleeves up. Okay, I'm gonna give it 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I will land this trick. Dang it, Aaron. It's funny, sometimes you think about this idea of a trick and you think, oh, it's gonna look so cool, it's gonna feel cool. And then when you do it, it doesn't feel cool. I'm like almost in that mode. I haven't even done it yet. And I'm already like, this trick is lame. I don't know if I'm just telling myself that because I'm not landing it, trying to make myself feel better or what. But needless to say, land it now. Visualize. At least this is a trick I don't think I've ever done this ever. I would have 100% taken that. Like I landed in manual, I'd have taken it. I got this. This is getting embarrassing, Derek. How do we live out here? Close. I'm getting there. So Nate Sherwood, he would do this first try all in the air. 360 pressure flip, backside body varial, back big spin, pressure, whatever you want to call it. Not me, I gotta cheat the 180, because I'm a pressure flip poser. All right, right here for Nate Sherwood. Derek, I figured it out. My front foot needs to not be there, it needs to be down here. I got it right here, first try. Holy guacamole. I don't know why it took me 30 minutes to figure this out, but I got you right now. My legs are dusted. Don't get old, kids, it sucks. 41, skate or die. Right here for every one of you. I got it. Aaron, I got it. You ever talk to yourself when you skate? Yeah, me neither. Derek, we gotta get this. We got Jamba Juice to drink. We got places to go, boy. Ah! Okay, I got you now. Derek, why? How did I not land that? What the hell? My back foot literally got caught in my wheel. When I land this, I'm never doing it again. No, I'm just kidding. Dang it. Never give up, never give up. I'm not gonna lie, Derek. I thought, oh, it's an easy trick, it'll be fun. Kind of play around with it a little bit. It is considerably harder than I expected. And just now, I'm gonna do it easy. I'm just gonna decide in my head that the trick is easy. I'm just gonna land it. Enough. As much as I wanna count that, I cannot. It's close though. Am I just not committing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that felt like pretty sick. Honestly, felt like it was gonna feel sick, which is what I was looking for on this trick all along. D? That was close though.
It was.
Okay, right here, Jamba Juice.
Let's go, let's go. After 40 bloody minutes, that's all I got. Now we will land it, first try. That was it. That proved to me right there that I can actually do it. I keep landing like sort of like half on my tail on my back foot and thinking like, don't sprain your ankle, Aaron. Do not sprain your ankle. Knock on wood. In my head, I was like, stay on no matter what. And I did. Wait, I need a bet. That's what I've been missing. Give me a bet. Take it to the Korean barbecue.
Right here, Korean barbecue.
Yeah, all you can eat.
No way. Ah! I can eat a lot of Korean barbecue too. You don't want to see that. I had to not land that just for your own sake, Derek.
Right here, me, you, Gabe, go clubbing in Oakland.
What? In Oakland? I ain't trying to get shot. Can we go clubbing in San Francisco? All right, right here. Me, you, Gabe, club. To the club. You call Gabe Cruz right now, tell him we hitting the club. We are hitting the club like he's never been hit before. Okay, I don't know why that trick took me so long. Definitely went through it, but what I learned is if I have my foot a little more off, like almost like kickflip position back here, it helps that spin more. I was really struggling with spinning it, turning my upper body, then land and pivot. But whatever, might not even have been the cleanest one, but I feel like it was good. I'm gonna take it as a make. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the learning process. And I hope you go outside and learn a new trick. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.